welcome back to our vegan kitchen. I've got a great recipe for you today, but first I've got a question. Are you basic?
No.
Well, I don't know if you are or not, but this hummus is. We're making some basic hummus today. And with this recipe, you can build on it. You could change the bean out. Instead of garbanzo beans, you could use white bean, you could use black bean, you could use kidney bean, you can use any bean pretty much that you want, even lentils. So let's get started. It's really, really simple. So we're going to start off with a can of garbanzo beans. Like I said, you can use any bean you want. We're just going to pop this one open. You can even cook them from dried. I don't have time for that today. I might do that someday. So everybody knows aquafaba. It's a thing. So you don't want to throw that down the sink. You want to save your aquafaba for making mayo or meringue or whatever. Anything you want to do with aquafaba.
You can use it for a lot of different things.
Sure. That was a tough one. Oh, I'm exhausted now. Alright, so we're just going to pop our beans in here, or peas, whatever they are, and we've got the biggest, fattest, most juiciest clove of garlic that I cut the, like, nasty part off, you know, like that woody part on the end. I don't like that. Mother doesn't like it. Also, let's see, let's get situated here. I'm going to do some tahini in here. This is delicious, and this is going to give it a beautiful velvety taste. I'm going to guesstimate, because I don't want to have to really scrape it out of anything. So that looks really nice. Don't worry about the measurements. They're all going to be in the info box below. This I will measure, though. This is my lemon juice. I like a nice lemony hummus because that is very Greek to have the lemon and garlic and tahini in there. It's very, very Greek tasting, and my husband is Greek, and part of the reason I scooped him up was because of the Greek food.
What?
It's good stuff. I like to make this my own by adding some parsley. Parsley is really good for detox and for getting rid of heavy metals in your body, and it tastes really good as well. So I have the Italian parsley. I've also got some salt. You don't want too much because usually the canned beans are a little bit salty. You know. I already put my lemon in, some cumin, just to make it taste Mediterranean. I love to measure everything exactly, and done. Now there's one more ingredient, and that is magical velvety olive oil.
I see you're using the Evu.
Extra virgin? Yeah, Evu, as my mom would always say. Or no, she doesn't say Evu, she says EVOO. So we're going to do 2 tablespoons of the EVOO. Lucy loved that.
Yeah.
She's having a time.
Did you guys hear that? She's like,
yeah. She said, hummus. Alright, we're going to pop the top on this. And then this is the easiest part. You just blend it until it's smooth and creamy like a baby's buttock. Whoa, let's smell it through the belly button. Oh my god. Let's plate this up. You don't have to make it smooth if you don't want. Some people like a chunky one. I like it smooth. Alright, I got my taster here.
I'm excited.
She's at least part Greek, so.
I'm feeling some Mamma Mia vibes.
Yeah. So here we go. It is amazing and velvety, and we're going to eat this the way that it was meant to be eaten, around the table with some friends, just ripping off a piece of bread.
Yeah. Just kidding.
All right, Greeky, let's go.
How does this work?
Just lift it off. It's not sealed right now. It's
okay.
just, yeah.
Thought it was going to be a little bit more complicated than that.
No, just rip off a hunk of bread and dip it in there and get some.
Genie!
So like I said, this is basic. The cat says, why don't you try and add some caramelized onions, some roasted garlic, some artichoke.
Makes that.
It brings it to the whole nother level, right? Yeah.
That's nice. Oh, it's super garlicky.
Yeah, well, it should be. That clove was a clove to be equaled by none other.
You know what I have to say? Lucky for you, that's what I like.
Yeah,
really
Maddie Mars. Yeah, that is amazing.
Bruno Mars is like vomiting right now. It's really good though.
All right. Well, I hope you try and be basic, and then you could be extra. You could add whatever you want after, but go for the basic first. Give it a thumbs up if you like this type of video. Subscribe for more, and until next time, much love.